are in Cabo San Lucas, downtown. I'm going to show you guys around here. This is Island Hopper TV. We are in downtown Cabo San Lucas, March 1st, 2021. We're right down here on the Marina. Hola! Next time, sport fishing. Just arrived today from San Diego. It was a 2-hour flight, not too bad. This is Lazaro Cardenas. This is the main drag out here. So quite the interesting place here. They got Fahrenheit. It's basically considered downtown. We're going to be pulling up here onto the actual marina. Got Hard Rock Cafe. Let us know in the comments where you guys are tuning in from. We're going to be going around Mexico. I told you guys on the California series, if you guys haven't already seen the California series, go back. Just got done doing San Clemente and Laguna Beach. In that series, I told you we were going to Mexico. Sure enough, we made it. They do get some really big sea lions. Look at that guy. They get them that big out here, and that's no joke. So, there's the Los Cabos sign. Down there, more downtown area. Squid Rob, Senior Frogs. Ooh, Hard Rock Cafe. I end up going over to Senior Frogs actually. Coffee, Starbucks, but not open. Maybe it's open tomorrow. We'll see. Mandala, Squid Row, Bolero. Lots of fun down here in Cabo San Lucas. If this is your first time to Island Hopper TV and you love going around the world and seeing all the cool places, hit the like button and subscribe. Do both, just to support the channel. That's all I ask from you guys. Helps the algorithm get the videos out to a larger audience. And when you take that action, it tells YouTube you want to see more videos from this channel. What do we got? La Quita. Zarape. Oh, gracias. Maybe later we come back. I gotta brush up on my Spanish. I think Abelengo. Wow, is that Cardi B? Hopefully that doesn't just flag my video for some music. Wow, Cardi B's loud. All right, so here we are.
My friend.
Hey, what's up, my friend?
Let me show you my fishing boat.
Tomorrow I'm coming down here. Mañana. I'll be down here. Yeah.
Don't worry.
Which one?
This is Phantom.
Oh, Phantom. Tomorrow.
Soon as 8:20. For how many people?
2 people, maybe tomorrow.
There's Phantom inside.
Or 2 days from now. 2 days from now. I come back. What's your name?
Peter.
Okay, Peter. I come back. Oh wow, cigars, Cuban. Cohiba, nice. Maybe in a little bit. Make it a video. We got Alexander's restaurant right here. Simon. Oh, they got a big old sea lion in there. Look at that big old sea lion right there. He's hungry. You guys see him? Dang. ¿Qué pasa, amigo? It is sunset out here. Let's see, where's that sea lion? Where'd he go? They have these famous rocks over there. All right. On the road again, passing by Da Vinci's. Hola. Nice little boat ramp right here. I could take my sunglasses off. La. Wow. Some pretty nice yachts in here. No, thank you. Marina, Cabo San Lucas. Oh, this is a nice little area right here. Sweet and delicious. IGY Marinas. Is that a Ruth's Chris? Tequila shop. You are here. Right here. Ah, there's the Paraiso, Puerto Paraiso, right next to the Ruth's Chris. Let's see, where is that sea lion? He was huge. I've seen that guy. He basically like follows the boats around trying to get fed.
Fishing tomorrow, buddy?
Maybe. Look at that.
Would you like to see the boats I have? I got a 28 footer.
I'll come back. Fishing. What are you going to catch out here? Lots of good stuff down here at the tip of Baja, I'll bet. Oh, Luxury Avenue. I'm going to have to turn off the camera here so I don't get a copyright on video. There's a beach over here that you guys are going to want to see. You know, this kind of reminds me of Playa del Carmen. When I went over to Playa del Carmen, took the boat over to Cozumel. They've done a great job with this place, haven't they? Get the oyster bar going. Legends. Yeah, when the pandemic first hit, this place really slowed down. I mean, it was crazy. So it's good that it's coming back because there's a lot of hospitality jobs that depend on opening up the economy. Really important. See how many people work down here. I like how they did hotels and then storefront.
Tomorrow. Look. What's up, buddy? You're shopping with Frank?
I think so. Thank you. Hi, hola. Some friendly people. Oh, what do we got going on? Some music over there? Is that gonna give me? Oh wow, look at this. There's a beach that I'm trying to get to that's over here. You guys are getting the ultimate downtown Cabo San Lucas tour. Crammed in here. Cabo's really experienced a boom here recently. I mean, it's like a subtropical climate. It's not like the other ones like Puerto Vallarta or even Mazatlan. It's very subtropical here. Like a desert actually. But it's a desert that's like waking up to the moisture. La Chatita. Yeah, they really need some people to come down here and save this place from the lack of work. Lots of restaurants dependent upon people come down here. And yeah, you didn't even need a test to get in, negative test. But I know that to get back in the U.S., you need one within 3 days. So I'll have to do that when I head back. So on this trip here, we're looking to do maybe Mexico or Mexico City. Maybe even go over to the Yucatan. So we'll see what gets happening in between. So the beach is down here. Got some mariachi going. That's a nice little spot right there. Ladies special, what is it? This one right here is a good one. Might just, the smell's good, the atmosphere, the vibe, the location. Look at this. They're bringing some granders right here. 1,000-pound marlins. Who knows what they've caught on that thing? Man, big boy. Got a big old pirate ship there. Yeah. Oh, they got another Senor Frogs on the other side. And another lighthouse off in the distance there. But yeah, there's the pirate ship Veracruz. Oh, I hear some sea lions. Oh, no, thank you. Maybe. But maybe later. I hate saying no, but I'm trying to film this walking tour for you guys. And I don't really carry around much cash, so I use it sparingly. Where are those big boys? I hear them. Wow. Yeah, so we're headed down to the beach if I can get there. So here's where the cruise ships come in. Right here. The cruise ship terminal. All right, glass bottom boat right there. That's truly a grass bottom boat. Wow. And then they have the famous rocks right over here. So the famous rocks, arch and everything is right over here. And we got a beach over here. This is the main beach right here. And we made it to the beach. The blue flag. Look at the beach. Even got more bars over there. Yeah, so you could see beautiful beach here right at the mouth of the harbor. Some yachts out there, paddle boarding. There's the arch. Cruise over here and see just what's going on that side of the beach. I hear some fun. Maybe stay at one of these hotels. What a great beach though. I mean, this is prime time beach, I'll tell you. Awesome. Loving it. I like Cabo. Airport's kind of far, but outside of that, definitely worth a trip down here if you get a chance. All right, so we've got lots of bars. You've got the Hungry Shark, sushi, many other bars right down here. We're gonna go get some food, see what's going on. Mango deck. Perfecto. Thank you, mi amigo. Bien, gracias. All right, Island Hoppers, that's going to conclude this episode from Cabo San Lucas. Stay tuned. Subscribe for more videos to come from Cabo and across Mexico. We'll see you guys on the next one.